In the heart of Abbotsford, where the air is often thick with the hum of industry, the perimeter house by Studio Bright emerges as a sanctuary of contemporary charm. Surrounded by a dense tapestry of weathered brick factories and active warehouses, the site functions as a small, quiet island within a sea of industrial grit. Rather than recoiling from this intense environment, the design leans into the site's charged conditions, utilizing the existing heritage cottage at the northern end as an anchor for a bold, protective new addition. The architectural strategy is defined by its name. The house acts as a perimeter, an expanded edge that pushes hard against the site boundaries. This deliberate placement allows the structure to wrap around and enclose the domestic life within, creating a deliberate barrier against the bustle of the precinct. By hugging the limits of the plot, the architects have successfully carved out a private interior world that offers the essential qualities of a home, refuge, seclusion, and a profound sense of calm, without disconnecting from the history of its location. From the western streetscape, the transition from old to new is handled with a poetic material sensitivity. The traditional weatherboard of the Victorian cottage gives way to a sturdy brick facade that mirrors the local industrial vernacular. As the building rises to the second level, the solid brickwork begins to breathe, transitioning into a perforated screen. This elevated potted garden provides a dual experience. At one end, it is a hidden retreat tucked away from prying eyes, while at the other, it serves as a platform to engage with the street and the surrounding tree canopies. Inside, the home's layout is a clever response to solar orientation and the need for internal privacy. The form of the house sweeps along the western edge, expanding at the southern end to accommodate the primary living areas. Connecting the original heritage building to the new kitchen and dining hub is a long, active corridor, a circulation spine that doubles as a functional living space. Instead of a traditional closed-off room, this threshold hosts a family study, music corners, and lounge nooks, all while defining the hard edge of the street. The true magic of the perimeter house lies in the tension between its two faces. On one side, the building is a stoic, brick-bound participant in the industrial landscape. On the other, it is a glass-lined observer of a tranquil inner world. All primary living spaces face inward toward a protected central courtyard, complete with a fireplace and an inbuilt pool. Through this design, the home becomes a series of peekaboo moments, places where children can look out at the active street from the safety of their sanctuary, and where the family can enjoy the sky and the trees while the city carries on just beyond the wall. It is a home that respects the weathered brick of its past while carving out a vibrant, light-filled future. Whether it's the quiet retreat of the rooftop garden or the playful transparency of the central courtyard, this house reminds us that even in the most charged environments, there is always room for refuge, for calm, and for a little bit of magic. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Perimeter House. If you enjoyed this look at how contemporary design can transform industrial spaces, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more architectural stories. We'll see you in the next one.